Top 10 longest rivers in the world. Why rivers are so important? In the ancient times, people are establishing their settlements near the river to get an abundant supply of fresh water for farming and food such as fish. Rivers have been used as a route for faster transportation using boats and serves as defenses against invaders. Up until today, the rivers play an important role to a region's economy. It serves as a source of hydroelectricity, a form of energy that uses the power of water in motion, such as from a waterfall. A major transportation route attracts tourists and a home to several species of fish that serves as a source of food both for humans and animals. So let's talk about the 10 mightiest rivers in the world and which river is the longest. Number 10. Amur-argun. This river separates far eastern Russia and northeastern China, serving as a border between these two large countries. This river has a length of 4,440 kilometers or 2,760 miles long and has a drainage basin of 1.8 square kilometers, and it is by far the 10th longest river in the world, including its source river, Argun. In ancient times, Amur River served as the main source of livelihood for the inhabitants, where they depended heavily on fishing. In 1644, the Amur Basin has been occupied by China under the Qing dynasty for a long period of time, until the Russian came into power in the late 19th century and occupied the lands within the North and Lower Amur. Though this border dispute has been settled after the dissolution of the Soviet Union in 1991. Number 9. Congo Chambeshi River. It is formerly called the Yi River. It is the 9th longest river in the world and second only to Nile River in the whole African continent. Its overall length is 4,700 kilometers, including Chambeshi, which is the head stream of the Congo River. It is also the only major river in the world to cross the equator twice. Moreover, the Congo River is the world's deepest river, measuring more than 220 meters in depth. Number 8. Rio de la Plata. The Rio de la Plata begins at the confluence of the Uruguay and Paraná rivers at the Punta Gorda and flows eastward into the South Atlantic Ocean. This river has a total length of 4,876 kilometers, including the Paraná, making it the 8th longest river in the world and the 2nd longest within South America. This river is also the widest in the world, since it has a width of 220 kilometers and a total surface area of about 35,000 square kilometers. Number 7. Irtysh River. One of the major rivers in Russia is the Ob, and along with it is the chief tributary, the Irtysh, and it has a total length of 5,410 kilometers long river located in western Siberia in Russia, making it the 7th longest river in the world. The Ob provides irrigation, drinking water, hydroelectric energy, and fishing. It is abundant in fish, and it hosts more than 50 species of fish. The river also has several hydroelectric power plants along the Ob River, providing significant contribution to the region's economy. Number 6. The Yellow River. The Yellow River is the 6th longest river in the world and the 2nd longest in China after Yangtze River. It is called Yellow River because of the color of the muddy water in the lower course of the river, which arises from soil being carried downstream. It has an estimated length of 5,464 kilometers and has a total drainage area of about 795,000 square kilometers. During the ancient times in China, Yellow River plays a big part of the region's prosperity, and it is also known as the birthplace of Chinese civilization. Number 5. The Yenisei, Angara, Selenga, Irtysh River. The Yenisei is the fifth longest river system in the world, and the largest to drain into the Arctic Ocean. The Yenisei proper, from the confluence of its source rivers Great Yenisei and Little Yenisei at Gizil to its mouth in the Kara Sea, is 3,487 kilometers long. From the source of its tributary Selenga, it is 5,075 kilometers long. It has a drainage basin of 2.5 million square kilometers. According to Wikipedia, the total length of this river is 5,539 kilometers, and 97 of which is in Russia. Also, Lake Baikal, the deepest lake in the world, is located in the upper Yenisei River. Moreover, the river provides hydroelectric power, and a huge oil refinery lies 30 miles downstream from Irtysh on the Angara. The river is also abundant in fish, including salmon and sturgeon. Number 4. Mississippi, Missouri, Red Rock River. Located in the United States of America, with a total length of 6,275 kilometers. It is the fourth longest river in the world and longest in North America. This river flows from its source of Lake Itasca to the south, going to the Gulf of Mexico. It is one of the world's major river systems in size, habitat diversity, and biological productivity. It is also one of the world's most important commercial waterways and one of the North America's great migration routes for both birds and fishes. It provides fresh water to nearby communities, and it is the home for at least 260 species of fish. Number 3. Yangtze River. Yangtze is the most important river in China. It is the third longest river in the world and the longest river in Asia. It is significant to China's economy and played a major role in history and culture. There are more than 300 species of fish that make their home in the rich waters of the Yangtze. The Yangtze River has a total length of 6,300 kilometers and flows towards the direction to the East China Sea. Number 2. Amazon River. The Amazon River has an estimated length of 6,400 kilometers, making it the second longest river in the world, though it has been a subject of debate whether the Amazon or the Nile is the longest river. It is located in South America and is the largest river by discharge volume of water in the world. In fact, 20% of the world's fresh water is found in the Amazon River flowing to the sea. It plays an integral part in the continent's economy since it provides countless resources for various industries such as transportation, agriculture, and food. Amazon is also known for its rainforest that produces 20% of the Earth's oxygen. It's sad to know, however, that deforestation is continuously happening in the region. Number 1. Nile River. It is considered the longest river in the world and is a major north-flowing river in northeastern Africa. This river stretches from the south in Tanzania to the north in Egypt, where it flows into the Mediterranean Sea. The total length of the Nile River is 6,650 kilometers long, slightly longer than the second longest river, the Amazon. The Nile River plays an important role to Egypt's economy. It provides resources for the country, such as water for agriculture, tourist attraction, and power generation through the constructed high dam.